Ladies and gentlemen, how do you go about financing dental work here in 2021? One of the first things that you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, is to go out there and get that estimate. Get that estimate from your favorite dentist or whatever. And then you need really to come and talk to us, the Pikes Peak Strategic Group and the Ameriplan Corporation, and our information is at the bottom of this particular website. But I want to give you a little more information. Let's say, for instance, you as an adult or you have kids that need braces, for instance, and you happen to live in one of our larger metropolitan areas, like Arizona, Los Angeles, Georgia, Atlanta, where you're in the red fee schedule, yeah, you can get adult braces for about $2,500. For about $2,500, you can get braces. For a preteen or teen, they'll run about $2,400, ladies and gentlemen. And there might be some incidental things that go with those particular braces due to the fact that everyone has different oral needs and so forth. But one of the first things you got to do when you got to be a good consumer. I tell everybody you need to be a good consumer when you're out there trying to make deals. And the dentists are willing to make deals with you and so forth because they want you as a customer. But you have to do your homework. And that's where the Pikes Peak Strategic Group and the Ameriplan Corporation come in. You can talk to my partner, Bernard, or myself for free at our 1-800 number. What do you think about that, Bernard?
Well, Ed, we are always standing by to talk to any and everybody across this great nation because we want to first get them in that dentist chair. We want to save them as much money as possible. And if they can't afford the financing, have them work with that particular dentist and get that taken care of. We are here. We have been here. We care. We want you to get what you need with regard to discount dental for your entire household. Folks, don't pay the standard list price for anything dental. We guarantee you with us, you will save money. Money saved is money that can make an interest. We want you to come talk to us. We are good at what we're doing, and we've been around our main company going on 30 years. Very few companies can say that. That's how good we are. Please call us. Let us get you on track to get that dental work done and save money and get the financing you need. Thanks a lot.